has my life improved since coming to PPG? I have grown more in my industry and my expertise as a realtor than any prior experience that I've had.
I am so much happier being at PPG and getting to meet people who have also been in the industry for 20 plus years. A renewed experience, and I wouldn't have it any other way.
We just have fun. Like today with the company picnic, we're having a great time, and some of the agents are performing and some of the agents are just eating good food and having good interactions with their fellow agents and their families.
Just the support and the camaraderie and the leadership, it's so hard to say. I've been doing this for a long time, and I've been with PPG for about 7 years, and I just feel like it's home.
Is 100% the people.
And the parties.
Oh yeah, we like the parties too.
It's the culture, it's the people. That's why I'm there. It's a family.
At my previous brokerage, it was always, what are you going to do for us, Greg? And here, it's what can we do for you?
PPG has the culture, it's got the education, it's got the mentors, and it's got the leadership, again, who gets what we're going through. And oh my gosh, the people. This is my family. This company is my family.